Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a SIM card on your Android phone. So this is relatively easy. You might have got this device with your phone and you might just have it laying around somewhere in the box. So this is going to pop open the tray to remove the SIM card. So typically you're going to see a little tray right here and a small little hole. Now yours might be on the top. And I believe this is for the microphone. If you don't see a little tray next to it, probably don't want to stick this in there. So mine is located right here. You can see a little tray. So I'm going to stick this little pin in here, push down, and this tray is going to pop out. Now you can take your fingers and you can remove the tray. And this is going to show you your SIM card right here. So there might be two holes on here. The first one's for your SIM card and the next one's for your micro SD card. So that's going to be used to increase the storage capacity of your phone. You go to Walmart. If you have this, you can go ahead and place it in your phone and you can take more videos and photos. And then you should be able to just pop out your SIM card and place in the new one or exchange it to your other phone. And then when you place in the new SIM card, you shouldn't have to really do anything. After about 30 seconds, it should just load the network. You can also try just restarting your phone, see if that works. Or there might be something specific for your carrier that you have to do to enable it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.